The thing about Canvas is you can customize your name and your pronouns. Let's go.
There's no need to do a lot of digging around. You can just click on account and then settings. Don't crane your neck right now. There will be slides after this video with step-by-step instructions. If your preferred name is different from your legal name, you don't have to just roll with it. You can update your display name. You prefer a language other than English? There's no need to dump all your text into Google Translate. Just change your default language. This won't change the language that your teacher's assignments are in, but it will change the language that you see on the screen for all of your menus.
Good luck constructing the ideal Canvas experience.